Hi, I'm Rory, and this is an overview of Traqplan's transformations with Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project generates detailed schedules, but struggles to produce high-level summary reports. Traqplan excels at converting intricate, professional-grade project plans into clean, intuitive visuals that your managers, customers, or team can grasp instantly. In this example, you can see Microsoft Project with an aircraft project open. On the left, you can see the tasks laid out in the usual way, with some tasks grouped under others, showing how they fit together in a parent-child structure, sometimes called a work breakdown structure. Traqplan uses this structure to create some powerful transformations, which we will cover in this video. On the left, you see the familiar task hierarchy with summary tasks for milestones, aircraft, and level of effort. On the right is Microsoft Project's built-in timeline. While this is a useful working level view, when it comes to reporting and communicating, we turn to Traqplan. So here's how Traqplan can help you look really good in front of the boss or customer. First, import the project by clicking the drop-down of the New Project button at the top of the project pane, which takes you to the import window. Choose your project file. Select a program it should live in. Then, hit the Import button. Locate the newly imported project in the pane and select it. Now to use the imported project structure to auto-generate a Traqplan timeline, do the following. In the toolbar's top right corner, click Schedule Creator. For now, choose Generate Timeline to match data structure. In the dialog, set the hierarchy level for your project groups and the level for individual tasks. Tasks always display one level below their group. In Traqplan, the boxes on the left side of the timeline are called swim lane groups. Every project has at least one group, typically named after the project itself. In this example, we're displaying 3 levels of groups, automatically created from the project's hierarchical structure. Let's add a few more so you can see just how easily Traqplan turns complex plans into powerful, easy-to-understand visuals. So let's try displaying one level of groups beneath the project name and show all the summary tasks contained within that group. This is starting to look more useful. I can now see the key milestones and main phases of the project. But hang on a second. Why does it show engine work continuing after the project is delivered? This is exactly where Traqplan shines. It helps spot little issues like this in project plans before it gets reported. I'll fix that later, but for now, I'd like to see a bit more detail. Let's set the group level one step deeper to reveal more of the project structure. Oh, that's just what I was looking for. I can see a lot more about my plan now without it being overwhelming. It's showing the main phases of the project and a level of detail within them. I can very quickly see that the wings are my critical path. That engine casing delay is definitely just a typo in my plan, easily fixed. And down in furnishings, there is delay since last month in their design work. They aren't on critical path yet, but I'll have a chat and see if they need any support. And finally, while the MS project automated transformations make life a lot easier, you can manually refine the plan by opening the tasks grid and refining the view and layout as much as you like. Here we are adding milestones to the auto-generated view. That wraps up our integration with Microsoft Project. AI integrations and P6 integrations are in development, so sign up to our newsletter if you would like to be notified when they are released. Visit Traqplan.com to sign up for a free trial, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all that if you're on Instaface or YouTube, etc. That's Traqplan with a Q, Traqplan.com.